Children, these are the mathematics daily practice solutions for day 5. Take the first question. Circumference of a cylinder is 44 centimeter and its height is 10 centimeter. Then its CSA is. You know the formula to find the CSA of the cylinder. The curved surface area of the cylinder is equals to what? CSA equals 2 pi RH. Here the circumference is given. Circumference is nothing but that is the 2 pi r. So in the place of 2 pi r you can take 44 into h 10, then you will get 440 cm square. The formula is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r is the circumference. Directly you can write 44 into 10, that is 440 cm square. So what is the answer here? Answer is 440 cm square. The CSA of the cylinder is 440 cm square. So you write the answer. Answer B, that is 440 cm square. Second question. A, B, C are in EP. Then the value of C minus B by A minus B. As this A, B, C are in AP, you know, A, B, C are in AP. This is A1, A2, A3. You know that A3 minus A2 equals A2 minus A1. A3 minus A2 is C minus A2 is B equals A2 is B minus A1 is A. So you write C minus B as it is and you need A minus B. So you write minus A plus B, that is C minus B equals, you can write minus of A minus B. And you need the ratio C minus B by A minus B. So you write C minus B by A minus B. Here what is remaining? Minus 1. So what is the answer here? The answer is B minus 1. So you write answer B minus 1. Then the next question. S3 equals 21. S2 equals 10 and the third term is, here what are given? S3 is given and S2 is given. What you have to find out? We have to find out A3. You know the relation that Sn minus 1 equals An. So if you take Sn is S3 minus Sn minus 1 is, that is 1 less than n. So you take 1 less than 3 is 2. So S3 minus S2 is equals to what? A3. S3 is 21 minus S2 is 10. That equals what? 21 minus 10. 21 minus 10 you will get 11. So what is the value of A3? A3 is 11. So you write the answer D. Answer D, that is 11. Then take the fourth question. If the graph of pair of linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals 0 and 4x plus 6y minus k equals 0 are coinciding lines, then the value of k. So here these two are coinciding lines, means you consider this is A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. As they are coinciding, you will get A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. Then here you take B1 by B2. B1 by B2. B1 is 3 and B2 is 6. So you take 3 by 6 equals C1 minus 9 by minus k. So here that is minus k equals minus 9 into 6 by 3. Then it is 3 ones are 3 twos are. We got minus k equals minus 18. So k equals what? 18. K equals 18 is the answer here. So option C. Right? Answer option C, 18. Next question, you take fifth question. What is that fifth question? If tan 2a equals cot a minus 20 degree, find the value of a. So write here what is given. Tan 2a equals cot a minus 24 degree. Cot a minus 24 degree. Convert this tan into cot. In the RHS, cot a minus 24 is there, and convert this tan into cot, then it becomes cot 90 minus 2a equals cot a minus 24 degree. And you know that both the side you cot, as you cot on both the side, you can compare 90 degree minus 2a equals a minus 24 degree, then it is minus 2a minus a. Transfer this a to the LHS. It's equals to minus 24 degree plus minus 90 degree. Then you will get minus 3a equals how much? That is 4, and 9 plus 2, 11, minus 114. So a you will get. That implies a equals minus 114 degree by minus 3. If you divide 114 by 3, you will get 3 3s are 9, 2 is remaining, 3 8s are. That equals what? 38 degree. You got that the value of a is 38 degree. Here the main thing, here tan is there, here cot is there. You must convert this tan into cot. While convert this tan into cot, that 2a becomes 90 minus 2a. If this tan is converted into cot, 2a converts into what? 90 minus 2a, because the complementary of tan is cot. Now you take the sixth question. When two triangles are said to be similar. When two triangles are said to be similar. So when two triangles are said to be similar, if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. If their corresponding angles are equal, if their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then the two triangles are said to be similar. So write that two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal, if their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Then two triangles are said to be similar. Now let us take the seventh question. In the figure, angle POQ equals 40 degree. Then find the measure of angle QPR. Find the measure of angle QPR. Here you know that the tangents from the external point to the circle are equal. And if you compare these two triangles, these two triangles are congruent. That is already proved. Here these two are the tangents equal. This is a common side, and these two are the radii. Radii of a same circle are equal. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent, and naturally this angle becomes 40 degree. And 40 plus 40 becomes 80 degree, and the sum of this angle QR and angle QPR must be equals to 180 degree, as this is a quadrilateral. Which is a quadrilateral? PQOR is a quadrilateral. This PQR is a quadrilateral, and this is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. As the sum of these two angles is 90 degree, sum of these two angles must be equals to 90 degree. As you got, what you got? The measurement of the angle QR is 80 degree. Therefore, 180 minus angle 80 degree. 180 minus 80 degree is equals to 100 degree. So you write. If it is one marks question, you can write the answer directly. That is angle QPR equals 100 degree. But if it is two or more marks question, you must write in detail what you have to write? You take that to a triangle and prove that the two triangles are congruent, and that 40 degree you take. Angle QR is equals to 40 plus 40, 80 degree. So angle QPR is equals to 180 minus 80 degree, 100 degree you can write. So let us write in detail. So write, in triangle OQP and triangle ORP, you write PQ equals PR. Reason, tangents from external point, and so you write OQ equals OR, radii of the same circle, and you write OP equals OP, common side. OP equals OP, common side. Therefore you can write triangle OQP is congruent to triangle ORP according to which congruence rule? According to Sss Congruence Rule. Then you write here angle OQP equals angle ORP, both are equals to what? 40 degree. Then angle QOR equals 40 degree plus 40 degree equals 80 degree. So you take angle QPR equals 180 minus 80 degree, that equals 100 degree. You write that is 100 degree. Reason, what you can take, angle Q equals angle R equals 90 degree, because they are the angles between the radius and tangent. Only this much is enough. So that is the detailed answer. Or otherwise directly you write angle QPR equals 100 degree. Orally you calculate and write the answer if it is 1 marks question. Next you take what is the area of the triangle formed by the point x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So directly you write the formula to find the area of the triangle when the coordinates of the vertices are given. So you write area of triangle equals 1 by 2 into, what is that, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the area of the triangle formed by the point x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Here you see the order. When x is 1, here you will get 2, 3. When x is 2, you will get 3, 1. When x is 3, you will get 1, 2. So here 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2. Observe the logic here. And next here x1, x2, x3. y2, y3, y3, y1, y1, y2. So they are in symmetric order. Next let us take the 9th question. Solve 2x plus y equals 6 and 4x minus 2y equals 4. And there are different methods to solve the pair of linear equation in two variables. But this year you learned only graphical method and elimination method. If you want to solve it by elimination method, in the first step you must eliminate any one of the variable. To eliminate the variable, you must see the coefficient of that variable in both the equation. So here you observe, if you want to eliminate x, here the variables are not same. In the first equation it is 2, in the second equation it is 4. If you want to eliminate y, in the first equation it is 1 and in the second equation it is -2. So here you must multiply the first equation to have the same variable, or otherwise you can do one thing here, because if you observe the second equation here 2 is common. If you remove 2 common, then you will get the coefficient same. So here what happens, if you multiply the first equation by 2, you will get the coefficient of the x and y are same. So you take here first equation, 2x plus y equals 6, 4x minus 2y equals 4. So if you want to eliminate y, then also you must multiply it by 2. If you want to eliminate x, then also you must multiply it by 2. So first you multiply the first equation. Consider this is the first equation, this is the second equation. So what you have to do? Multiply by multiplying first equation by 2. So it becomes 2 into 2x plus y equals 2 into 6. So it becomes 4x plus 2y equals 12. 4x plus 2y equals 12. Consider this is the third equation. Now you take one below the other. So you write 4x plus 2y equals 12. That is, the first is converted as 3. Then 4x minus 2y equals 4. Consider this is the equation 3, this is the equation 2. Now here, to cancel y, as they are having same sign, a different sign, here if you want to cancel y, they are having different sign, plus 2 and minus 2, you must do the addition. If you want to cancel this x, you must do the subtraction. You can do any one operation here. So let us do the addition only by 3 plus 2. Equation 3 plus equation 2. Equation 3 plus equation 2. So it becomes 4x plus 2y LHS plus LHS plus 4x minus 2y equals 12 plus 4. Here you cancel this 2. 4x plus 4x becomes 8x. 4 plus 12, that is 16. So you got x equals 16 by 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are. So you got value of x is 2. And to find the value of the y, substitute the value of x in the first equation or any one of the equation. So you write by substituting x equals 2 in equation first you take. So what is that first equation? 2x plus y equals 6. 2x plus y equals 6. That is 2 into 2. X value is 2. Plus y equals 6. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus y equals 6. Then y equals 6 minus 4 equals 2 you got. So what are the solution here? X equals 2 and y equals 2. So write x equals 2 and y equals 2. You can verify whether the answer is correct or not. So you take x equals to 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 6 you will get. And x equals to 4 2s are 8 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 you will get. So the answer what you got, that is the correct values. So here the solution is x equals 2 and y equals 2. Now the 10th question. Find the 12th term of NAP 2, 7, 12, so on. So you write that progression 2, 7, 12, so on. And write the value of A, that is the first term. This is A1 first term, A2 second term, A3 third term. So you write the A. A is the symbol of the first term, that is the first one is 2. So you write A equals 2. Then D is the common difference, that is the difference between the consecutive terms. So you can write A2 minus A1, that is 7 minus 2 equals 5, second term minus first term. Then here what we have to find out? We have to find the 12th term. So you write n equals 12, that is an equals question mark. Write the formula to find the nth term. So you know an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Then here you have to find out a 12. In the place of n you write 12. A equals a. What is the value of a? Value of a is 2. So in the place of a you write 2 and you write plus, and in the place of n you write 12 because n equals 12. Minus 1, n minus 1 means 12 minus 1, d is 5. N minus 1 into d means 12 minus 1 into d. Then a 12 equals 2 plus 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1 is 11 into 5. So you write a 12 equals 2 plus 11 5s are 11 5s are 55. Then you write a 12 equals 55 plus 2 57. Then what is the 12th term? 12th term of the given AP is 57. What is the 12th term? 12th term of the given AP is 57. So write 12th term of an given AP is 57. Next let us take find the value of discriminant of 2x square plus x plus 4 equals 0 and discuss the nature of the roots. Here the given quadratic equation is 2x square plus x plus 4 equals 0, and here we have to discuss the nature of the roots and find the discriminant. So what is the discriminant? The discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So you take the quadratic equation 2x square plus x plus 4 equals 0. Then you write the value of a, b and c. A equals 2, b equals 1, c equals 4 you write. Here a is 2, b is 1, the coefficient of x, and c the constant. And you write the b square minus 4ac. So b is 1 square, b square means 1 square, minus you write 4 in the place of 4 only you write. In the place of a you write 2 into c. Then you got 1 square is 1 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32. Then 1 minus 32 is equals to what? Minus 31. You know that minus 31 is lesser than 0. So you got that b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0. Therefore, here no real roots exist. What is the nature of the roots? No real root exists. Next you take the 12th question. Find the sum of 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus so on to 10 terms using formula. So write the 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus so on to 10 terms. So on to 10 terms. Here you take A is 1 first term, D is common difference, that is second term minus first term, 5 minus 1 4, and n equals 10. What you have to find out? The sum. And you write the formula of sum to n terms, that is S equals When a, d, n are given, you can write the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then it is s equals n is 10, 10 by 2, 2a, 2 into, what is the value of a? A is 1 plus n is 10 minus 1, d is 4. Then s equals 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 you write. Then 2 ones are 2 plus 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 into 4. Then s equals 5 into 2 plus 5 into 2 plus 9 4s are 36. Then 5s equals 5 into, what is the sum of 2 and 36? That is 38. So you got s equals 8 5s are 40, 0 you write, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4, 19. So you got this sum 190. Now the 13th question, find the coordinates of points which divides the line segment joining the points a 4 minus 3, b 8 5 in the ratio 3:1. Here you take that the 2 points a 4 minus 3 and b 8 5 are joined to form the straight line AB, and that is divided in the ratio 3:1. Then you consider these are x1 y1, these are x2 y2, and these are m1 m2. Now you write the formula. So consider the point is P. The point P divides the line AB in the ratio 3:1. Then P of xy you take. P of xy is equals to, what is that formula? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. That equals, write 3 into 8 plus here m1 is 3, 3 into x2 means that is 8, 3 into 8 plus m2, m2 is 1, 1 into x1, x1 is 4. That divided by m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 1. Next m1 is 3 into y2, y2 is 5 plus m2 is 1 and y1 is minus 3, that divided by 3 plus 1. Then that equals 3 8s are 24 plus 4 by 4. 3 5s are 15. 1 into minus 3, 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 by 4. So you will get 24 plus 4 is 28 by 4. 15 minus 3 is 12, 12 by 4. 24 plus 4 is 28. 15 minus 3 is 12. That equals 4 1s are 4 7s are 7 you will get. 4 1s are 4 3s are 3 you will get. So the point P of xy is equals to what? X equals 7 and y equals 3. So here you got the coordinates. Coordinates are 7 3. Next let us take 14th question. X square minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. Find the roots of this x square minus 7x plus 12 equals 0 by factorization method. So you take that x square minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. Here we have to factorize, means we have to split the middle term by taking the sum and the product. Here the product is 12x square, product of this and this, and the sum, here the product is 12x square, that is pq, and the sum is p plus u, that is minus 7x, and here that is in the table of 4 and 3, 4 3s are, and both of them are having the same sign. As the product is positive, which sign the factors are having? Minus. So write minus 4x and minus 3x. That is x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 equals 0. So write x into x minus 4 minus 3 into x minus 4 equals 0, and first factor x minus 4. X minus 4 is common, you write that in the bracket, and next x minus 3 is in the other bracket, equals 0. So equate x minus 4 equals 0 and x minus 3 equals 0. Right? X minus 4 equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. So you got x equals 0 plus 4. X minus 4 equals 0 means it is a linear equation. You solve it, that you will get x equals 4 or x equals 3. So the roots are x equals 4 and x equals 3. Now you come to the 15th question. The length of a rectangular field is 3 times its breadth. If the area of the field is 147 square meter, find its length and breadth. So you write that here the length is 3 times its breadth. So let us take, let here breadth equals x also you can take, y also you can take, or otherwise you can take b also. So here let us take x. Then length becomes 3 times the breadth, means that becomes 3x. If the area of the field is 147, find its length and breadth. So you take, what is the formula to find the area of the rectangle? That is L into B equals A. For rectangle, it is L into B equals A. L is 3x, x is, that is B is x. 3x into x equals area. Area is 147. That you will get 3x square equals 147. So x square equals what? 147 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 fours are 12, and 2 7. 3 9s are 27. You got that x square equals 49. Then x equals square root of 49. That equals 7 you can write. Otherwise also you can write here x square is square of 7. 7 square you write. Therefore x equals 7. You can also take square root of 49 by taking x equals, or taking x square equals 7 square. You will get the value of x directly, that is x equals 7. So here that is in meter. So you write here you got x equals 7 meter. That is, find its length and breadth. You got x equals 7 meter, that is breadth equals 7 meter. So you write breadth equals 7 meter and length equals 3x, that is 3 into 7 equals 21 meter. So you got the length and breadth. Next let us take 16th question. Draw a line of 8 cm and divide it in the ratio 3:4. Children, the construction is, as already said, that is done in the construction chapter. So you go through that chapter and learn the method of dividing the line segment in the given ratio. Now the 17th question. Calculate mean. Class interval and frequency are given. Class interval and frequency are given. Now let us take the class interval and frequency. Ci 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, 16 to 19, and the corresponding frequencies 630 40, 630 40, 1644, 1644. So here summation of Fy is 100. Then you find the class mark. You know the method of finding the class marks, that is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 1 plus 4 by 2. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is 2. Find 5. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 by 2 is 5. Find 5. Next, 7 plus 10 whole divided by 2. 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 by 2. Now 17 by 2 is 8.5. Then 10 plus 13 by 2. 10 plus 13 is 23. 23 divided by 2 is 11.5. 13 plus 16 divided by 2. 13 plus 16 is 29. 29 divided by 2 is 14.5. 16 plus 19 whole divided by 2, that is 35. 35 by 2 is 17.5. If you are having doubt, you add and divide. Here if you are having doubt, here 10 plus 13 is 23. 23 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2, 0. And 2 ones are 2. 1 is remaining. 0.5 you will get. Similarly, 13 plus 16, 29. 29 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 0. 9. 2 fours are 8, 1.5. Like this way, add the lower limit and upper limit and divide the sum by 2. Next, here you know that class mark is denoted by the symbol xi. Then you find Fy xi. Fy xi, the product of these two. 2.5 into 6. 2.5 into 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 2s are 12 plus 3. 15. So you take, that is 15.0. Then 30 into 5.5. 55 into 30. 5 3s are 0, you write. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16. So you will get 165. 165.0. Then 40 into 8.5, that is 40 into, right, 85 into 40, 0, 5 4s are 20, 8 4s are 32 plus 2, 34, so you will get 340, that is 340.0. Then 16 into 11.5. Or you write 11.5 into 16. 16 5s are 80. 16 on the 16 plus 8, 24. 16 plus, was a 16 plus 2, 18. So you got 184.0. 184.0. Then 14.5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 18. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 8 0 you got, that is 58.0. Next 17. 17.5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. 6 17 4s are 68 plus 2, 70. So it is 70.0. 70.0. So you can remove that 0.0 because all are 0.0. Then you add this summation of sigma Fy xi. You write this sum here. Summation of sigma Fy xi, that is 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 8 22. 9, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 8 22, 22 plus 4 26, 26 plus 6 32, 32 plus 1 33, 3 carrying. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8. You got 832. You got sigma fi is 100 and sigma fi xi is 832. Then you write the mean. Mean equals x bar equals summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi, that equals 832 divided by 100. Then here it becomes, if it is divided by 100 means 2 zeros are there, then you will get directly 8.32. So what is the mean? Mean is 8.32. Now you take the OR question. Calculate the mode. Calculate the mode of the following frequency distribution table. Class interval and frequency are given. Now let us take down the class interval and frequency once again. So write the class interval 10 to 25. So you take first 10, 25, 10, 25, 25, 40, 40, 45, 40, 55, then 55, 70, 70, 85, then 85, 100, 85, 100. Then take the frequency fi, that is 237666. 237666. To find the mode, we have to find the maximum frequency. Here which is the maximum frequency? 7. So which is the modal class? The modal class is this one. 40 to 55 is the modal class, as 7 is the maximum frequency. So you take maximum frequency is 7. Therefore 40, 55 is a modal class. So here which one is F1? This is F1 and this is, you know that this is the F0 and this is F2. Here the modal class is 40 to 55. So we have to take the L, the lower limit of the class. So first to take L. Lower limit of the class is 40. 40 is the lower limit of the class. So you write L equals 40 and F1 equals 7 and also F2, F0 you write. F0 equals what? 3 and F2 equals 6 and size of the class H equals 55 minus 40. What is 55 minus 40? That is 15. Then you write the formula for the mode. Mode equals L plus F1 minus F0 whole divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, that equals, here what is L? L is 40 plus F1 is 7 minus F0 is 3, 2 into F1 is 7 minus F0 is 3, F2 is 6, that into H is 15. Then you take 40 plus 7 minus 3 is 4, 2 7s are 14, 14 minus the sum of this minus 3 and minus 6 is minus 9 into 15, that equals 40 into 4 by 14 minus 9 is 5 into 15, that equals, here you write, not into, it is plus. 40 plus 5 ones are 5 threes are 4 threes are 4 threes are 12 plus 12, that equals 52. So here you got that mode equals 52. The mode of the frequency distribution table is 52. You got that is 52. Now let us take the next question. Draw less than type OZ. Draw less than type OZ. Here the class intervals are given and frequency are given. First we have to convert this into the less than type distribution. Now you write the less than type distribution. For the less than type distribution, you have to take the upper limit. Less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50. So you write the less than type distribution. Before drawing the ogive, here you have to convert the distribution to the less than type distribution. So you write less than type distribution. Take the upper limit, less than each upper limit. So you write less than 10, that is 4 frequency, and less than, then you write the frequencies. First less than 10, 4. Less than 20 means you must add these 2. So you add 9 to this 4, that becomes 13. Next, less than 30 is the sum of these 3, that is add 15 to this 13, that becomes 28. Again, less than 40, we must add 14. 28 plus 14 is 42. Then less than 50, again you add 8, that becomes 42 plus 8, 50. Now let us take the upper limit on the x-axis and the frequencies on the, they are the cumulative frequencies, because here we are adding them. So you take cumulative frequency on the y-axis. Here you have to take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So you take, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And next, on the y-axis we have to take the frequencies. Here the maximum is 50. So let us take, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So what is the scale you have taken here? On scale on x-axis. Scale on x-axis, 1 centimeter equals 10 units, and on y-axis equals 1 centimeter equals 5 units. We have taken. Now first one 10, 4. So where is 10? 10 is here. 4 means it comes here. Then 20, 13. 20, 13 means here. Then 30, 28. 30, 28. Where is 30? 30 is here. 28 means 25. Here 25 is here. 26, 27, 28 comes here. Then 40, 42. 40, 42 is here, and 50, 50. So you take 50, 50, that comes here. Then you join all these points. Join all the points. So you got a curve which is the less than type O0. That is less than type O0. So you got the OG which is less than type. Next, let us take the 19th question. Prove that the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. The lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Children, you know that it is a statement of the theorem that is in the circle chapter, and this theorem is already proved and discussed in the triangle chapter. Children, you go through the chapter triangle and learn the proof of this theorem. Next, let us take 20th question. Draw a circle of radius 5 cm and construct a tangent at any point on its circumference. This is also discussed in the previous question papers. Children, go through the previous question paper and solve it. And now let us discuss in graph. Here you must need the compass, scale and pencil. First you draw the circle of radius 5 cm with the particular point as a center. So you draw the circle of radius 5 cm. And here what you have to draw? We have to construct a tangent at any point on its circumference. So take a point P, any point P on a circumference. Join that center and that point, and you know that becomes the radius. Here the radius is 5 cm. And also you know the method of drawing the perpendicular that you have learnt in the previous classes. So how will you draw the perpendicular to this OP at a point P? Here it is very simple. With OP as a radius, this is already taken, draw a curve. Here with P as a center, with OP as a radius, draw a curve. And here you will get a point of intersection of that curve and a point with that point as a center. With that point as a center, the same radius, you cut this curve and you extend up to this. Again you cut this with the same radius, you cut that one, and now you join that point to this, that you will get a perpendicular. Here by joining you got a perpendicular. So it is roughly done, but you must do this by using the scale that to draw the radius, and also compass to draw the circle and the curves. So follow the construction steps and draw the tangent at any point on its circumference. Children, it is a rough sketch. Question number 21. Show that the points 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 4 are collinear. Here we have to use the area of the triangle. If you get that is 0, then you can say that these 3 points are collinear. Now you take 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Consider these are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Then you write the formula for the area of the triangle. Area of triangle equals half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Write the values. You write half as it is. What is the value of x1? x1 value is 1. 1 you write. Then y2. y2 is 3. 3 minus y3 is 4. Plus x2 you write. x2 is 2. y3 minus y1. 4 minus 2 you write. 4 minus 2 plus x3. x3 is 3 into y1. y1 is 2 minus y2 is 3. Then you write 1 by 2 into 1. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 plus 2 into 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Then you write 1 by 2 into 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 2 2s are plus 4. 2 2s are 4. 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Then it becomes 1 by 2. Sum of minus 1 and plus 4 is 3. So you will get 3 minus 3. Or otherwise you can take 4 minus 3 is 1. Minus 1 plus 1 also you can take. This also you can write, or otherwise minus 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then half into minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So you will get area of triangle. Right, this is 0. Triangle is 0. Therefore, which are the points? 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 4 are collinear. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 are collinear. Next, let us take the question number 22. Solve graphically. Question number 22nd. Solve graphically. Solve the pair of linear equation 2x plus y equals 5, x plus y equals 4 graphically. Now you take the first equation, that is 2x plus y equals 5, and you convert this into the form of y equals. So you transfer this 2x to the RHS. Here you will get y is equals to 5 minus 2x. Now you take the convenient value for x and get the related value for y. So let us take when x equals 0, 1, 2, whatever you want, you can take that one. So you write when x equals 0, then y equals 5 minus 2 into 0. In the place of x, you write 0 because here it is 5 minus 2x. So you write 5 minus 2 into 0. That equals 5 minus 2 into 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Then you take when x equals 1, y equals 5 minus 2 into 1, that is 5 minus 2, 3. When x equals 2, y equals 5 minus 2 into 2, that is 5 minus 4 equals 1. So these 3 points are enough. Then you take the column x, y. X values are 0, 1, 2, y values are, corresponding y values are 5, 3, 1, 0, 5. Here you got 0, 5 and 1, 3, 1, 3 and 2, 1, 2, 1. Got the coordinates. Now you take the second equation, x plus y equals 4. So you take x plus y equals 4. Again you convert this into y is equals to, then y equals, you transfer this x to RHS, that becomes 4 minus x. Here also you take some values for x, convenient values for x, and get the corresponding value for y. So let us take when x equals 0, y equals 4 minus 0. Here you have taken x equals 0. So you write 4 minus x means 4 minus 0. 4 minus 4, 0 is 4. Then you take when x equals 1, y equals 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then you take x equals 2. Then y equals 4 minus 2, that is 2. Then you write the column here, x value, y value. X values are 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Corresponding y values are 4, 3, 2. 4, 3, 2. Then got the two columns. One is for the equation. One is for the equation 2x plus y equals 5 and the other is for x plus y equals 4. Now let us draw the straight line. Now let us come to the graph and draw the x-axis and y-axis which are perpendicular to each other, and you mark the origin. Here the maximum on the y-axis is 5 and maximum on the x-axis is 2. So you can take 1 centimeter equals 1 unit. So you take the scale. 1 centimeter equals 1 unit. Take the scale. 1 centimeter equals 1 unit. So here you have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also you have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like this way. And on the upper side of the x-axis we have taken positive and below the x-axis we have taken negative. That you know. You have done many graph. So follow the same steps here. Now take the point 0, 5. You know that 0 is here. 5 comes here. Mark 0, 5 here and you note it 0, 5. Then 1, 3. 1 is here, 3 is here. So this is 1, 3. Right, and 2, 1. 2, 1 comes here. 2, 1. Join all these 3 points to get a straight line. Join all these 3 points to get a straight line. So you got a straight line, that is the line of the linear equation 2x plus y equals 5. So write that this is two x plus y equals 5. Then you take the next one, x plus y equals 4, 0, 4, 1, 3, 2, 2. 0 is here, 0, 4. Next 1, 3. Right, this is 0, 4. Next 1, 3. 1, 3 is already there and 2, 2. Next you take 2, 2. 2, 2 is here. Now you join these 3 points. This is 2, 2. Join these 3 points. Here what you can observe, these 2 lines intersect at a point 1, 3. Therefore here 1 and 3 are the solution. So what is the value of x? Value of x is 1. Then what is the value of y? Value of y is 3. So the solution is, so write solution x equals 1, y equals 3. X equals 1, y equals 3. So you can verify here. If you put x equals 1, 2 into 1 plus 3, you will get 2 plus 3, that is equals to 5. Then also here you know that 1 plus 3 is 4. So the value satisfies both the equation. So x equals 1 and y equals 3 is the solution of the given pair of linear equation. Next question number 23. What is that question? Draw a right triangle in which the sides other than hypotenuse are of lengths 4 cm and 3 cm. Then construct another triangle whose sides are 5 by 3 times the corresponding sides of the given triangle. Children, you go through the construction video and take the help of that video and do this construction. This construction is already done in that construction chapter. Next question number 24. State and prove Pythagoras theorem. Children, this theorem is also proved in the chapter triangle, and also it is proved in the solution of the questions from the previous year question papers. So you go through that video and learn the statement and proof of the theorem.